Hi viewers, Happy New Year. The New Year Eve made me lose my voice but not lose my spirit. So a bit delayed recording. But yes, first of the month and I actually want to share something special. That was the highlight of 2025. There were a lot of special things actually that happened this year. Yeah, but one of them was actually a video that I'm going to share with you. But before that, little share a little background about it. Because I mean, you all know me as an actor, but there is a part of me which is a teacher and which has her passion in theatre. And my dear friend Kundan Roy, who has been associated with us, and we've been doing theatre in our theatre group Sarang for so many years. Or NGO Udan, say, if we trace back, कहीं ना कहीं that cosmos connection was already there because हमने डॉक्टर राधिका और उनकी एक्सपर्टीज उनसे एडवाइस उनका सजेशन पहले भी लिया है. वी हैड स्पोकन बट आई वुड एंड अप मीटिंग हर and going to Aurangabad and be a special part of this NGO. This was something which the universe planned for me in 2025, and I was so blessed. Thank you, Kundan, for making me meet such lovely hosts, gem of the people, Dr. Archana and Dr. Sampat Sarda. I mean, wow. औरंगाबाद मेरा 3 दिन के लिए जाना हुआ. छोटा सा पार्ट बन पाई मैं उनके NGO उड़ान का. और आई वुड लाइक टू ऑल्सो शेयर वॉट उड़ान इज़ ऑल अबाउट. एंड आई फेल सो स्पेशल कि मैं वापस कुछ योगदान कर पाई, एक तरीके की वर्कशॉप ले पाई, टीच कर पाई. एंड वो भी किस तरीके के लोगों या आई मीन the participants of the workshop were type 1 diabetes. They have type 1 diabetes, and that is what Udan is all about. In fact, Udan is uphold diabetes awareness anew. तब इन्होंने सोच विचार के दिस इज़ लाइक द नेम दैट देव गिवन. एंड सिर्फ यही नहीं, उसके जो छोटे छोटे अंश हैं, देर आर स्मॉल डिफरेंट छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स, अलग शाखाएं जो कुछ ना कुछ और अपना किसी काम में कार्यरत हैं. आई वुड एक्चुअली लाइक टू टेल यू ऑल दोज details about Udan and its subgroups or tertiary branches which they have named it so beautifully. I'm so sorry. I'm like straining my voice, so probably I'm not even able to explain it. But I'm so overwhelmed. I actually felt so good. And I mean, actually, I was teary-eyed. कभी ऐसा कुछ स्पेशल फील नहीं हुआ मुझे. एट द एंड ऑफ द 3 days आई वॉज इवन गिफ्टेड. डॉक्टर राधिका जी की सिस्टर हैं ज्योत्सना, एंड शी इज़ रिटन दिस लवली पोएम, in fact hand written on a beautiful silken scarf which was gifted to me. So I mean, I thought it so special to be thankful about this particular thing at the end of the year and beginning first day of 2026 that I really wanted to share this with my viewers. And of course with a thank you note that do keep watching my videos daily. Acting के होते हैं, लेकिन औरंगाबाद में ये स्थित NGO वाकई बहुत काम करते हैं. And they are growing and they are self-dependent and they are actually reaching out to people. And I just wanted to, I will not say promote it, but कम से कम ये अवेयरनेस आप लोगों को पता लगे अराउंड along with my a thank you note for them. I'm sounding so different, right? इनका है एक आधार which supports underprivileged families with type 1 diabetes with free insulin, glycometers, medical investigations, and yes, counseling. And they regularly, in fact, daily, they engage with this और खुद मैं देख के आ रही हूँ. Such beautiful names. Saksham. Saksham क्या करता है? They empower families with type 1 diabetes for self-care through structured education in a simple manner and regional language. 24 into 7, you can guess it by the name, 24 into 7 are helplines that are attended day and night to solve problems, especially for the rural areas. Maitri, emotional and social strengthening through peer groups, activities through our clubs and their residential camps. Ankur, adolescence clinic for growing up issues. Wow, no. Sathi, again, connecting and counseling suitable life partners. Wow, so well thought. Na? Kaushalya, skill development and vocational guidance as per skill and aptitude. Building self-esteem and independence via exposure to challenging activities through different clubs is Swadhin. Yes, they're making self-dependence. Wow, they're building self-dependence. Kalpak, innovative tools, especially for the rural population, such as the earthen pot to store insulin. So innovative, really. Earthen pot to store insulin and simple games to teach the illiterate. Jagruti, again you can guess it by the name, advocacy and awareness in society through various media such as a magazine, social media, short films, radio, talks, street plays and walkathons. Brilliant, isn't it? बहुत और रीच और ग्रोथ हो रही है इस एनजीओ की. And I mean, I was so enthused to record this that in spite of my voice, this bad voice, I really wanted to share this with you. Because Radhika ji, Sampat ji, I'm so thankful to you guys. And I feel very special to be associated with Udaan now. I not only want my viewers to watch this, but to spread the word that something like this, without any aid, is being run in Aurangabad. Udaan. And my special friends now. I even met Riddhi. So, I mean, I actually feel so good to have them in my life from 2025. I hope आप सबका 2026 बहुत बेहतरीन हो. And please do keep watching my video.
हाथ में आती हर खुशी को आंखों में मैं बो रही हूँ, गुल्लक में संजो रही हूँ. किसकी राह देख रही हूँ, किसका दिल मैं तोड़ रही हूँ. कोई न जाने मैं नहीं हूँ, वक्त की चादर ओढ़ रही हूँ. रुक के अब रुख मोड़ रही हूँ, हंस हंस नाते जोड़ रही हूँ. सांझे सपने बुनते बुनते जो बोलो वो बोल रही हूँ. किसकी गुल्लक जोड़ रही हूँ. सब है पर मैं वो नहीं हूँ. अब मैं दब के खो गई, गुल्लक को टटोल रही हूँ, अपनी आंखें खोल रही हूँ. उलझे सुलझे सीधे उल्टे सब धागों को तोल रही हूँ. सोची समझी बहकी बहकी ख्वाहिशें निचोड़ रही हूँ. पल पल में रस घोल रही हूँ. ख्वाबों को अब कौन संभाले, यादों को भी छोड़ रही हूँ. टुकड़ा टुकड़ा जीकर जोड़ी गुल्लक को ही फोड़ रही हूँ. पंख फैलाए आसमान का सिरा सिरा टटोल रही हूँ. बावरी से कोई कहानी बादलों से बोल रही हूँ, बादलों से बोल रही हूँ.
Oh,
This is for you.
oh.
सर सुबह सुबह सर
Sorry. People to her craziness.